Simple and beautiful salmon salad. Peel and dice the potatoes. Put in boiling water with a little garlic salt. Cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Press through with a spoon. Add the butter while it is still hot and mix well. Add some pepper and parsley. Heat a pan. Drop about a tablespoon of olive oil. Skin down. Slowly put the salmon skin down. Add some garlic, salt. Cook about 10 seconds to ensure that the fish skin is not curled. Heat it evenly to achieve a crispy skin effect. Add some pepper. Add some parsley. If the fish skin side needs for minutes, the other side needs 2 minutes. The thickness of each piece of salmon is different, so there is no exact time. Look juicy. Cut the lemon. Use cheese whiz to make the sauce. Put some cheese into plastic bag. Add some cream. Add some butter. Mix them up. Put the mashed potato on the plate first. Make it into a rectangle shape. Then put the salmon on top of the mashed potatoes. Put the lemon on plant. Add some salad and mint leaves on side dishes. Add some small tomatoes. Add some canned orange. Cut off the corner of the plastic bag. Feel free to add some sauces. Put the purple kale and pansy flowers. Pansy flowers are edible. Use some canned orange. Make a orange punch. Enjoy. Cheers.